Hello friends, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. Today in this video, I am going to talking about how to write good scientific paper of chemistry. So I will discuss some important point regarding writing of scientific paper. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. So let us start with the writing tips. So first one is avoid starting a sentence with symbol or numerical value. Look at this sentence. 0.5 gram of sodium hydroxide was added to 5 ml of distilled water and the solution was heated. In place of this sentence, you have to write after addition of 0.5 gram of sodium hydroxide to 5 ml of distilled water, the solution was heated. Now friends, pedagogical phrases. So avoid including phrases which address the process of learning according to pedagogy phrases and not the science of the experiments. For example, this experiment helped us learn about, or the goal of this experiment was to learn about. Although such sentences are preferred in original article, scientific reports, communication should ideally focus only on the data and research. So, illogical construction, check that a modifier phrase or pronoun, it actually refers to the intent subject. So tip 1, to avoid dangling modifiers and unclear antecedent, think about the subject. Look at this sentence. Being coated with grease, I cleaned the flask before adding reagents. Was I coated with grease or the flask? The flask was coated with grease and soap. So this sentence is not good. So in place of this you have to write, because the flask was coated with grease, it was cleaned before adding reagents. Because the flask was coated with grease, it was cleaned before adding reagents. So friends, personal pronoun, because scientific experiments demonstrate facts that do not depend on the observer. Reports should avoid using the first and second persons, I, we, our, us. For example, I filtered the solution and noticed productions of yellow powder. So in place of this you write like that, filtration of the solution yielded a yellow powder. However, when referring to your own research or conclusion, it is better to use the first or second person. For example, while AB et al. Report X value, the author's data indicates Y value, or AB et al. AB means here any name of the author, just like Faisi et al. And Abhinav et al. Like that. Report X value, but our data yield Y value. So active voice, when possible, replace passive voice with active voice for clarity. For example, there was some solid that did not dissolve. This is the, in place of this, you have to write some solid did not dissolve. some solid does not dissolve. Personifications do not personify compounds and equipments. For example, the spectrum shows two bands of equal intensity. The spectrum shows two bands of equal intensity. In place of this, we have to write two bands of equal intensity appear in the spectrum. Two bands of equal intensity appear in the spectrum, like that. Now friends, plural nouns. Uses of verbs when mentioning amount of chemical region in term like data, singular, datum, and spectra, spectrum is often confused. A quantity used is a singular subject even when that quantity is in a plural form of unit. For example, you can see here, while the solution is boiled, 5 gram of KBr were added. 5 gram of KBr were added. So in place of this you have to write, while the solution boiled, 5 gram of KBr was added. Verb tense and verbing a noun, usually you can go through the journal's guideline, you will find a lot of information there, because there is some rule and regulations of each and every journal. So specify the tense to be followed in each section of the manuscript. Now I am talking about tip 2. Use past tense to describe a procedure. Hydrochloric acid was added to the flask slowly in order to prevent decomposition of the product. Use present tense to describe a scientific fact. Hydrochloric acid is a caustic substance that must be used with caution. So, verbing a noun, that is turning a noun into a verb, makes the sentence unclear and should be avoided. For example, X complexes to Y. So, in place of this, you have to write X forms complexes with Y. So, this is the correct way. Abbreviations, formulae and numerical. Define abbreviation for chemical compounds or ligands at the first instance. However, standard organic abbreviations, for example, ME for methyl, PR for isopropyl, and so on, a lot of abbreviations. If you read the paper, then you will find. Can be used. Use chemical formulae for standard compounds, but not when the name is shorter or more precise. For example, sodium hydroxide equals for sodium hydroxide, and caffeine for C8H10N4O2. Right. So long compound name can be numbered if repeated many times. The numbers should be bold or underlined. Define when the first presented and appear in parentheses when used as an adjective. For example, investigation into 8-hydroxyquinoline and 4-iodo-8-hydroxyquinoline are described recrystallizations of 1 and 2. So use a leading zero for values less than unity and avoid values with many zeros. Use scientific notation instead for decimal places. So friends, for example, 0.15 mm, this is wrong. 0.15 mm. Most of the people, they are not caring such types of simple things. Here 0.000024 mm, millimolar. No, not like that. You write 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 4 millimolar. Now chemicals names. The name of chemicals are not capitalized unless they are trade names, just like Tylenol. For example, the reaction of cobalt 2 was, no, the reaction of cobalt 2 was. See the difference. Friends, terms and expressions. Use terms like synthesizing new compounds and preparing solutions. Avoid a term like products were created with using by on. Avoid using these interchangeable as they might be incorrect in some cases. For example, spectra are measured while using and not on a spectrometer. Now tip 3. Spectrometers, colorimeters, etc. should be referred to as instrument, not machine. And that is important point. The intransitive word reacts is the most used term in chemistry papers. It should not have an object and should not have a passive voice. Chemical reagents react with each other, they are not reacted. Okay, A and B were reacted to produce C and D. So in place of this, that is the good. The reactions of A and B, potassium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid, produce C and D. A hypothesis can be tested, however, for most laboratory work, the term measured, investigated, determined, calculated, and obtained are better. For example, the absorbance of the solution was tested using. In place of this, that is one is good. The absorbance of the solution was measured using. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.